What's up, cleanup? So this is gonna be a little short one. So, as everybody knows, I teach how to do the business. I teach you how to do the business. I recommend the stuff that I use, products that I use. I teach you the process, all that stuff, and also a lot of questions people ask all the time, not just students, is do you move furniture? And I say no. I don't move furniture. Basically, we're not professional furniture movers. We don't want to hurt their property, and we don't want to hurt ourselves. Case example: yesterday, cleaning tile. Most everything was moved out. I was moving back and forth the sofa. They were on sliders, no problem. So I'll do that. If it's sometimes it's more of a pain to move the furniture out or have them move it out than it is anything. Just slide it back and forth, no problem. But there was a kitchen table on the heavier side, and I'm cleaning. We moved it to one side, cleaned, and my plan was to move it to the other side. So I wouldn't have moved it at all if we wouldn't have had to move those sofas in that area so I can clean the other half. So I had the spinner in one hand. I had the table on the other hand. I lifted on it and went, oh. So now side of my back's all, it's going to be a tough day. I'm working by myself today too. So that's why we don't move furniture. Also, you don't want to move something that's cost 10 times more than what the job's worth. Okay? If the customer doesn't understand it, just say, I don't think I'm the good fit for you. There's other cleaners that can do this for you. Have a nice day. All right? So, see you in the next one.
They gotta find and found a better way. 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 They gotta find and found a better way.